it's Shannon, and welcome to the Cozy Christmas Cottage. Except today, we're at the largest Christmas store in Texas, Decorator's Warehouse. There's over 60,000 square feet of Christmas, and you're gonna come along with me today. So I found one of my favorite people, Santa, but I'm not here by myself today. I'm actually here with some other really great creative friends of mine. Let me introduce you to them.
I'm Courtney from Creative on the Cheek. I'm Whitney from Whiskey and Wit. I'm Jennifer from A Little Bit of Common Crazy.
And we're all gonna share with you our own favorite styles. There are so many different great styles for Christmas. We'll share with you ours, and then you guys can let me know down in the comments below what style is more of your own vibe.
We just came around the corner and this is so my vibe. I do the red and white checkered, but look how fun it is with pops of pink. It gives you kind of a retro vibe. I mean, look at these little kids.
Oh,
I love the pink in there and also the blue, so you've got all that represented. This is my vibe for sure.
Gingerbread is totally my vibe. I absolutely love anything baking, the red, the white, the peppermint, the candy, the marshmallows, anything baking.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light.
So this is like my style of Christmas because I love red and white. And then you add that into the greenery that you already have, and to me this is just traditional, bright, cheery, everything that I love for Christmas.
We all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down and follow Rudolph all across.
so I have a couple different vibes planned for the house for Christmas time, and this one is definitely what I hope to do inside for our family Christmas tree. Very woodsy, very antique-y, lots of velvet and texture, twinkle lights, the brass bell vibe. Cannot wait to get decorating the family room Christmas tree.
Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
there's another whole different theme that I want to do outside the she shed, so let me show you that one. So this year, the She Shed is getting a red and white theme. I am so excited about it. This tree just spoke to me. I love all of the elements in this tree, except it was missing one thing. They had the white bells, but I wanted these giant gold bells instead, and I just think that it's all gonna be so beautiful when it comes together, so make sure to subscribe, come back, as I'll be doing a Decorate the Christmas Tree video with you very, very soon.
These songs we all heard before. As we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah. A Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas.
Now that you've seen our favorite Christmas themes, let me know down in the comments below which one is more your style. A, B, C, or D? I would love to know. Let me know down in the comments below. So these were just 4 of the beautiful themes at this awesome store, but there was so much more to see too, and I wanted to throw in some of that as well in case some of these themes caught your eye and gave you some Christmas creative inspiration.
Celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Alright, so we're walking into the Christmas tree forest, and I would love to hear down in the comments below. Regular Christmas tree? Flocked Christmas tree? Do you do a regular Christmas tree? Or the flocked? Let me know down in the comments below.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it...
So these are just a few things that I was able to grab and pack in my suitcase to take home with me. Some ribbon, this kindness ornament that I had never seen before. If I can find it, I'll link it down in the description box below for you. It's just a gift for my son, something new, a new tradition for him. Some gifts for my kiddos, some essential oil to make my house smell like Christmas tree because it's my favorite thing ever. I found some clearance ribbon as well, and yes, you can actually go onto their website and place an order, which I've already done. You'll see some of this in my new Christmas tree coming up, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. It was so hard to say goodbye to this Christmas store, but we did close it down to the very last minute that it was open, and then it was just time to go. But it was a wonderful, fabulous time. If you're ever in Arlington, Texas, make sure to stop into Decorator's Warehouse. It is definitely 1000% worth the stop. Also, go ahead, follow my friends that you saw in this video. I will have their YouTube channels linked down in the description box below. And I want to thank you all so much for joining. I'll have another Christmas video popping up on your screen. Go ahead, click that, and I will see you over there. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a Merry Christmas.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.